Hello traders, FX Pep Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 11th, and this is going to be my analysis on the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still think this is an uptrend for the A. I think this is very clearly three waves down for an A, B, C, or B, and I believe that we are going up to make a wave C. Most likely place for a wave C to go is the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected off the bottom of the ABC correction. So if that's true, that means that we have a long ways to go to the upside to finish off this wave C. But we are on the monthly time frame, so we do have to remember that it's going to take a very long time for this to play out. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think we have an end of an ABC correction right there. And as you can see, we got another higher low, higher low, higher low. We definitely are trending up, even though it is very choppy. I do think it is going to break out of this area, and I do think it is just going to keep on trending up, telling me that I'm definitely going to be looking for longs primarily on shorter time frames. So, taking it down to the daily. On the daily, you can see some of these ABC corrections. That right there is definitely an ABC. This move up was very, very choppy, but what happened was it made another ABC down, made another higher low, and as you can see, it is trending up. We have a break of structure to the upside, then we had a pullback. At the end of that pullback would have been the much safer entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. Like I said, the trend is definitely still up, so I'm going to be looking for pullback entries, especially on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this is that break of structure that we had, and then it almost instantly made a pullback, which is very, very common. Went right down to about the 38%, made a nice impulsive move up. That right there, to me, is very clearly the end of a correction, and I do think that we are in an uptrend. I do think it is going to break out of this area. I'm sure it'll have some pullbacks along the way, which is very good for us because at the end of those pullbacks is where we're going to be looking to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I think this first sets it up trend is an A. I think this is like a B, and I think this is a downtrend for the C. Impulsive up, break of structure at a Fibonacci level is exactly what I look for the end of a correction. I do think this is probably like a 1 and a 2. And to me, it does kind of look like it may be still in a wave 3. I don't think the uptrend is over. I think it's still going to keep making them higher highs, higher lows. Like I said, I'm sure there's going to be some pullbacks along the way. I'm sure there's going to be lots of liquidity up in this area, which is actually very good for us because at the end of these pullbacks, it gives us much safer, much more profitable entries to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.